Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Philips Fidelio L3 headphones with your iPhone. So first we have to find this power button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking blue. Okay, and right now on our iPhone we have to go to the settings, open the Bluetooth. Of course, turn it on with the switcher, then select Philips Fidelio L3. And right now, as you can see, we are successfully connected. You can also go for the App Store and find the Philips application where you can find other features of these headphones. Let's get this one, the Philips headphones. Click to install. Okay, and when the download is finished, you have to open this application and accept all these permissions that you have right here in front of you. Click X to turn off this option and select your Fidelio L3. And in most cases will be automatically connected because we previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings. And as you can see, that's how it looks. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.